Have you ever wondered why the most successful executives never write a resume, never post their profile to online job boards, and never mass mail cover letters to companies or recruiters? And yet they seem to do well in any economy, regardless of how much unemployment there is. In this video, you'll find out how you can get your career to go your way without the usual job hunting and without being painted into a box or being stonewalled by hiring managers or recruiters. Now, you've probably already tried a lot of things that don't work yourself. Most senior professionals in a career transition have. But the career conversion system is not about endlessly tweaking your resume or cover letter. It's not about posting your credentials to a bunch of job boards or sending letters to dozens of recruiters. It's not about spending your precious time at networking functions where just about everybody is unemployed. The career conversion system isn't about any of those traditional job hunting techniques. It is a simple, no-nonsense approach to planning and executing all aspects of the most important business you have ever run. It's that business called you. Now, maybe you think that in this economy, there are just too many people unemployed, all competing for that one job that's advertised. Maybe you're afraid that you'll just be one more faceless candidate in a large crowd of others just like you. But imagine what your life would be like if you were not just one resume in a stack of hundreds or even thousands. What if you were in a category all by yourself and in such high demand that you had companies calling you, trying to convince you to join them? My point is, you can distinguish yourself from the crowd by using proven sales and marketing techniques, while all the other candidates are applying for jobs using an obsolete system that lands their resumes in the circular filing cabinet without ever being looked at. The fact is, the more candidates there are applying for a position, the less they'll stand out and the easier it is for you to distinguish yourself and make yourself known. But you have to know how. Now, most of us have used expensive resume writers and so-called career experts in the past, but by now I think you're smart enough to know that just flooding the job market with resumes isn't going to get you what you're looking for. The career conversion system works because it's based on solid psychological principles, the decision-making process that all hiring managers go through, and we'll show you how to spoon-feed the right information to them at the right time, step by step. See, the business climate has changed. Companies are having bigger problems now than ever, but despite today's high unemployment rate, they're having a very difficult time finding the right people to solve those problems. So when someone like you shows up, giving them exactly what they want, when they want it, they will do almost anything to work with you. The good news is, if you are an experienced professional looking for a career change, even if you've not been able to land an offer from those first few interviews, there are a lot of career opportunities that you could be taking advantage of right now with the career conversion system. Another piece of good news is that I will teach you how to use this system absolutely free of charge in my new video series, because I want you to know that there is hope beyond the unemployment statistics that are all over the news. To get immediate access to the career conversion system, just enter your name and email address. And make sure that you enter it accurately because I will send you the access link via your email. You will receive a confirmation email from us to make sure that you are protected from spam. Please follow the directions in this confirmation email and click the confirmation link. Once you have signed up, I will give you immediate access to the first video in the series called How to Turn Today's Economy into Your Career Advantage. Then you will be notified when the next videos in the series become available. Again, just enter your name and email address to get immediate access to career conversion.